All right, with this problem, we need to identify the solution to the system of linear equations, y equals 1/3 x minus 2, and y equals negative x plus 2. And so I'm looking at these. One of the first things I notice is that they have different slopes. So we're only going to have one solution because they have different slopes. If they have the same slope, they might be parallel, meaning no solutions, or they might be the exact same line, meaning all solutions are real. In this case, we have sets of A, B, C, and D points that we can choose from. One of the fortunate things about this problem is y equals a value and y equals a value. And so we can actually use substitution here, which means that I can just set those values equal to each other. So I can set 1/3 x minus 2 equal to negative x plus 2. And so I'm going to do that. And then from there, I can just solve this down. And so in order to solve this, I just bring both variables to one side of the equation. So I'm going to add x to both sides, which x, if I'm adding x, I'm going to have x plus, let's add x, so plus x and plus x here. But if I'm adding those two together, it's going to be 3/3 x because it is a whole x. So I have 4/3 altogether because it's 1/3 plus 3/3 x. And I'm going to go ahead and add this 2 to the opposing side as well. And that way we can address it. So plus 2 on both sides. So 4/3 x equals 2 plus 2, which is 4. Now I was going to solve for x. I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So I need to multiply this by 3/4. And what we'll see is that it's actually a really nice number, times 3/4. Those cancel here. And so we're left with x equals, the 4's cancel, so x equals 3. So just knowing that, we can go ahead and eliminate a and c from our values. In order to solve this, though, we need to plug x equals 3 into our equation. So let's do that. So, or here, let me actually erase. Let's erase all this. All right, so x equals 3 is our solution. So we want to plug x equals 3 in. Well, I'm going to just choose the first one. It actually doesn't matter which one you choose, but y equals 1/3. X is 3 minus 2. Well, 3 times 1/3, the 3's will cancel. So we have y equals 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. Thus, we have a solution at x equals 3, comma, negative 1, because my x and my y. So it should be B. And again, we could have also plugged this into the second equation, which let's do it just to check. So our second equation is y equals negative x, which is 3, plus 2. So we have negative 3 plus 2, so y equals negative 1, just to check it out. Again, we got 3, negative 1. So B is definitely our answer.